Welcome, I'm Gwen. Today we're going to be creating a beautiful Dollar Tree centerpiece for Valentine's Day. And we're using this crate and this beaded heart-shaped wreath form. And I'm going to give both of them a coat of this Waverly chalk paint in the color Snow White. I'm going to add a layer of Mod Podge just to one side of the crate. Just spread it out. Make sure you get it evenly distributed. And we're going to be decoupaging with this beautiful napkin. Oh my gosh, I love these. I had a huge package of them a couple of years ago from Amazon. Still working my way through them. But I'm going to be using just one little section of this napkin. And I don't know if you can see it on screen, but there's a beautiful little gold heart right in the center. It looks like a keyhole. I'm lining that up as best I can in the center. We're going to use our iron on low heat. It's going to reactivate that Mod Podge and cause your napkin to adhere to the crate. Now you do want to cover your napkin with a sheet of parchment paper. It'll just help to protect your iron and your napkin. And then I'm just going to use the nail file and remove the excess napkin. I want the grooves on the front of this crate to really pop out, so I'm using a sharp X-Acto knife and just very carefully running it along each of the grooves. And you want to be careful not to tear your napkin, but just take your time. And then once I'm finished, I'm going to go back in with a little small thin nail file and just very gently sand away that excess napkin, and it will really make those grooves pop out. To give this project a little bit of a high-end glam look, we're going to add some of this gold bead wrap all the way around the edge of the crate, and we'll also complement the little gold heart locket that's in the center of the napkin. I'm making a hole in the center of the floral foam, and I'm not going all the way to the bottom because we're going to fill this with hot glue. And the reason for that, we're going to place the beaded heart in that hole with the hot glue, and it's going to help hold it in place. And for some added security, I'm going to use some of these floral pins, and once I get those placed in there, I'm going to go back over all of it with some more hot glue, then just kind of hold it in place till that hot glue has time to set up. Now we get to do what I love so much, and that is add in the greenery and the florals. Everything that I'm using I already had on hand, and everything came from Walmart with the exception of the light pink roses, and those came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. I am so very happy to be back making videos. I have missed y'all so much. Thank you for your patience with me. Sometimes you just have to take time and deal with life. And again, thank you for your patience. I'm going to start trying to do a new type of video like this one, just shorter, like kind of like one and done DIYs. And I'd like to know what you think about that, because right now that's kind of what my life is allowing me to do, just little short videos where I can put them out more often instead of the big long ones. But tell me what you think, and thank you again for being here and supporting my channel. I truly appreciate you. This was just such a fun and easy little centerpiece to make for Valentine's Day, and because I had everything, it cost me almost nothing. The only thing new is these sweet little gold hearts that I'm adding in. Those came from the Dollar Tree this year, and to cover up where the link is at the top of my heart, I'm just adding in a couple of little bows that I've just made, just little awareness bows, and then pop a key right in the center of that for the key to my heart. Of course, it's Valentine's Day, but thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.